Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by setting tempo and posture. Make sure the instrument is in tune and metronome at 60-70 BPM. Focus on the main motif. Play the right-hand melody in C minor, keeping fingers 1-5 ready and relaxed. Meanwhile, the left hand holds a root fifth pattern to support harmony. Use wrist motion to connect notes smoothly. Once you can play the motif hands separately at half speed, begin slowly combining hands for short 2-4 bar phrases, so coordination forms naturally. Now you work on combining hands and shaping the arrangement. Practice 8 16-bar sections separately until each hand is confident. Once done, join hands at half tempo and listen for timing. The right hand melody should be moderately loud, while the left stays softer to create balance. Add slight accents on phrase endings to convey musicality. Make sure to increase tempo gradually by about 5 BPM at a time, and repeat tricky bars until transitions feel secure and consistent. You finish by playing the full theme at your chosen tempo, concentrating on smooth legato and consistent rhythm. Listen for balance between melody and accompaniment. Once done, record a run-through and identify weak measures or timing slips. If mistakes persist, isolate problematic bars and repeat them slowly with a metronome, then reintegrate. Make sure to relax shoulders and wrists to avoid tension. If stuck, slow down another 10-20% and rebuild speed gradually while maintaining clarity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.